The way we work and connect has changed. And with Microsoft Teams, stay in touch and collaborate with anyone from anywhere. It's a place to schedule online meetings, live events, or webinars, or to call a teammate, family member, or friend whenever you want. It's where you can chat one-on-one or in groups. Connect in channels to organize projects and discussions. Share files. And make decisions together. Super like. And if you need to follow up on something, just respond in real time. Or when you're free. Stay in sync the way you work best. With Teams.